John has mocked out his plumbing for the fire hydrant. It's right there. He's gonna swing it over. He's gonna sit it down on his plumbing line that will go in the inside. And he's gonna thread the hole. Just like, look, 2 jobs in a row, he gets to thread needles. He looks so happy. He's happy because it's Friday and he's going on vacation. Today was a partial day. I had meetings, I had to go and sell some work. The guys had to go finish something else up. My hat is crooked. Actually, I'm gonna just take it off. Much better. So we were only here for like the last 2 hours or so. So let me show you what's going on. I will swing it around and let you take a look. Pond is rocked in. We've got our fish feeding stone here, skimmers in. Auto doser's got to sit over there. Our pump is in, running around to the back there. We've got our hydrant in. Hydrant is plumbed in and down into a pump that's down in there. The rest of this is all rocked in. Those are our 2 frame rocks. We're gonna do a stack slate for a waterfall rock. We've got a fish cave over there. All these ledges are done. Thumbs up, we got stuff done. So Monday we're gonna be back. We're gonna build this waterfall. Got some frames for the waterfall to go in. I've got to do that part. We have a light that's going in over there. It's just sitting there right now, one of the Aquascape 6 watts. We've got another light down in there, a 3 watt. And I think we have a couple of small watt lights that he has. So, everything is done for today. It's the end of the week. If you take a look, progress is made. This thing is built, the pond at least. 2 frame rocks for the waterfall. Fish cave, done. Feeding rock, done. What's that? Hydrant, in and done. Hey, it's a good end to the week. And it is Monday morning, and you know where we are? Baldwin. We are working on finishing this pond up. You know who I have? I got that guy back. Tony is back with us. He's better. I trade one for the other. I got Tony back this week, and I lose John, who's out while his wife is having surgery. So we're going to work on getting this project, fingers crossed, wrapped up today. Got a lot to do. Weather is nice. It's hot. It's humid. I have a waterfall I'm going to build. The guys are moving rocks around. Ricardo's getting himself prepped for doing some transitions on the liner around the edges. And let's see what we can do. I can fit my head in this waterfalls. Can you? Hello, bye. I can climb it, can you? It's like I'm a giant in a mountain. Help! Oh, that perspective doesn't help. We can do it! All right, we're up to finishing the waterfall area. We got our stack wall there. Mike is on site with us, and he's working on washing it down. Something he's come familiar with this season, since he's doing all of our maintenance stuff. But today, instead, I pulled him off to give a hand finishing so we could wrap. So he's getting it all cleaned out. We've got clean water over there. We are going to give this a final rinse. We're setting a couple of frame rocks on this waterfall, and then we'll be buttoning this thing up. we're all finished. You know what that means? It's time to reveal what we did. This falls under our medium-sized pond with an addition of the fire hydrant on the side there. We've got a skimmer in there, biofalls up top, aquatic plants, landscape lights. This one is up and running.